Returning for 2025, the Fiat Punto will revolutionize the tiny car market with its cutting-edge styling, innovative technology, and remarkable fuel economy. Not only that, but Fiat has created something truly revolutionary for city drivers. Envision a vehicle that serves dual purposes, reducing your fuel use and providing you with amenities usually reserved for more expensive versions. Not only that, but its engine lineup has a surprising twist that will make you rethink tiny automobiles. Do not miss the reveal that is coming next, so stay tuned. The 2025 Fiat Punto is a striking example of contemporary Italian design. A broad grille and modern LED lighting give the front end of the vehicle an aggressive and attractive appearance. The side panels of the car are designed with smooth lines and aerodynamic curves to make it more aerodynamic. Because of its small size, it is perfect for navigating congested city streets. The car's modern style is enhanced by the rear's well-made bumper and LED taillights. The Fiat Punto's cabin is roomy and inviting, making it an impressive interior design. The interior exudes an air of luxury thanks to the use of high-quality materials. The vehicle has state-of-the-art features, including automated climate control, an infotainment system with a big touchscreen, and compatibility with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Long car rides will be a pleasure because to the chair's ergonomic design and high-quality materials. The inside is just as functional, with plenty of room for groceries and other daily necessities in the trunk and other storage areas. Depending on your needs, the 2025 Fiat Punto is available with a variety of engines. An environmentally conscious and fuel-efficient gasoline engine powers the entry-level model. Additionally, there are hybrid models that are ideal for city driving due to their lowered CO2 emissions and improved fuel economy. The 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine is available in improved versions for individuals who desire additional power. You may customize your driving experience with the choice between manual and automatic transmissions. An official announcement about the 2025 Fiat Punto's release is likely to be made in the latter half of 2024. The car will likely go on sale in Europe in early 2025, with other areas following suit. The Fiat Punto's price tag might change according on the model you choose, the engine you get, and the extras you select. In Europe, you can anticipate to pay between €18,000 and €20,000 for the base model, and between €22,000 and €25,000 for the higher trims and hybrids.